Imagine this. You watch one ad and earn 30 cents. Another ad gets you 57 cents. The next one pays 62 cents. And it just keeps adding up. Using the trick I'll share in this video, you can make $2.49 every minute just by watching Google ads. The best part? This works anywhere in the world. Whether you're in the US, Canada, UK, India, the Philippines, or any other country. And stick around until the end, where I'll reveal a bonus trick to help you earn $700 daily in passive income with this brand new website. Step 1. Head over to this website where you can make money watching Google ads from top brands. I'll reveal the site name shortly, but first, here's how it works. This platform lets you watch brand-sponsored Google ads, earn $5 per referral when someone signs up with your link, withdraw your earnings directly to PayPal or other payment methods once you hit the minimum balance. This site partners with hundreds of brands, so you'll always have fresh ads to watch. To get started, simply click the Sign Up Now button, enter your details, and create an account. One key detail: remember your server number, like Server 3, during sign-up, as you'll need it when logging back in. Once you're in, you'll receive a $10 sign-up bonus credited to your dashboard. Scroll down to see the ads available to watch. For example, clicking the first ad pays you 57 cents. Here's how it works. Click on the Complete button under the ad. A new tab opens. Let it load for 35 seconds. Scroll up and down the page while the timer counts down. This ensures your visit is recorded. Once the timer ends, hit the Skip button and you'll be credited immediately. After completing just a few ads, you'll see your balance grow in no time. However, there's a catch. You can only watch 5 ads per day. But don't worry, I'll show you how to multiply your earnings to $2.49 every minute using this simple trick. Step 2. Create multiple accounts on this platform. Each account lets you earn up to $2.49 per minute from the daily ads. Don't have multiple email addresses? No problem. Use a free service like temp-mail.org to generate temporary emails for creating additional accounts. Here's how. Log out of your current account. Get a new temporary email. Use it to sign up for another account. Repeat this process to create as many accounts as you want. With 10 accounts, you can make $2,490 in just minutes by repeating the process across all your accounts. Step 3. Earn $700 daily in passive income with referrals. On the left side of your dashboard, click Invite Earnings to get your referral link. For every person who signs up using your link, you'll earn $5, and they'll get a $10 bonus. To find referrals easily, head to Facebook. Search for Make Money Online groups, join public ones, and post something like, "I just earned $100 from this site by watching ads." It's free to join. Comment how below, and I'll send you the details. Once you're ready to withdraw, click the Withdraw button on your dashboard. Choose from PayPal, Skrill, Western Union, or even Google Play gift cards. With just $70 as the minimum withdrawal, reaching your goal is super easy if you stay consistent. If you'd like me to show my withdrawal proof, help this video get 1,000 likes. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments which country you're watching from. If you're ready to take things further, let me introduce you to AI Profit Siphon, a tool that's been a game changer in my affiliate marketing journey. If you're serious about making money online, this system can automate your affiliate commissions, helping you earn even while you sleep. AI Profit Siphon teaches you how to drive traffic and rake in commissions, all without breaking a sweat. Thousands of people are already using it to generate a steady income, and you can too. Click the link below to grab AI Profit Siphon today and start building a reliable passive income stream alongside this ad-watching method. Trust me, it's a no-brainer for anyone who wants to maximize their earnings online.